Do not marry before success. Yeah, the title is Do Not Marry Before Success. Well, discussing the matter of marriage is definitely a normal thing for you. So, I lifted this title with a great deal of urgency because I learned from my experience 5 years ago. I, who at that time was to understand what marriage was faced with a problem which almost made my dreams and dream disappear. At the age of 15, living in a city without the supervision of my parents, only life with my old grandmother. I am influenced by a friend around me that youth is considered a past of a person live where he begins to explore a new world. A world that makes us then understand that man and woman are destined to be together in a bond of love and affection. In a fairly short span of time, my uncle knew about my relationship with someone, and he also wanted to immediately continue the relationship to a more serious level. Because at that time I was in doubt. There were a number of things that I considered. I wanted my grandmother getting older, and I hope to lighten her burden. Plus, my uncle had agreed to the relationship. On the other hand, I have very important principle, that is my education. For me, that period was the beginning of a step for me to organize my bright future. And I had to really focus on working on it. Meanwhile, if I decide to get married soon, I could have to the opportunity to handle it and even stop the process. That's why at my very head to sacrifice my feelings, sacrifice the opportunity to have a special relationship with someone. Yeah, okay, that no problem. That's why at my very young age at the time, I decided to prioritize my dreams and career. There are several things that you need to master or don't know. The first, before getting married, before you decide to get married, you must know what your real purpose is to get married. Because marriage is not just looking for a life partner, but also a partner of worship. Of course, the main purpose of marriage is to get happiness. Yeah, but don't let problems that have not been resolved before marriage will follow you and add to burden after marriage. So in fact, whatever your current decision is, if you are young, are you continuing your study or already working, you must be responsible for the choice you make. For those of you who decide to get married at a young age, one day, when your household is in trouble, remember why you want to marry him, and remind him why you decide to get married. This will strengthen your hair again. And for me, and those of you who decide to have a career first and then get married, enjoy our solitude while you can. Because life is only once, and youth will never be repeated. repeat it, okay?